working from home today. So the service that you will see today is the crochet maintenance service. And this is when the client has come in previously to get her crochet braids installed, and they return anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks later to have their hair shampooed. So let's get started. And I'm kneading the braids. I'm mashing them because I want to make sure that I don't leave any excess conditioning in the braid itself. What this also does for the life of the crochet is it keeps them looking good, but at least during this time, the scalp is not neglected. The scalp and the hair can still get cleansed. I use a mint shampoo, and then I follow it up with a moisturizing shampoo, and then I follow it up with a moisturizing conditioner. After the rinse, the hair will sit in the towel for a few minutes just to pull as much of the moisture out of the hair as possible. And then I apply Salon JOIERE essential scalp oils to the scalp. And then she will go under the dryer from anywhere of 30 to 40 minutes to give her braids time to dry. I like to make sure that the client does not leave with their braids wet, because if they do not properly dry, they will mildew and stink and grow fungus and get real dandruffy and nasty, and don't nobody want to smell that when they go on the bed. Nor when you come back and it's time for me to take your hair down. I don't want to smell that either. People standing behind you in line talking about you. You don't want none of that. Why this is important is because my client here also works out regularly. So you have to factor in those times when she sweats. The sweat will cause those braids to become moist. And if they are not thoroughly dried, you'll have the same problem. So with the crochet maintenance service, not only is her hair getting some care, but that sweat and build up and all of that stuff from working out, that gets an opportunity to be removed from the hair as well.